Hi, I am Michael from Quitch Support. Welcome to the Quitch homepage on the Educator portal. This portal is only available to educators. You can favorite classes. On display here are the Quitch default classes that we have created and are available on the marketplace. For help in creating a class, either reach out to us or stay tuned for another video diving into the topic. Check this box to only show the active online classes. This hides archive classes which have already ended. The Quitch Help Center in the bottom right corner is where our knowledge base articles are found. Type a search query into here to find something you were looking for. Educators have access to the reporting menu. This is to find more deep analytics on your class and gain insight into how people are performing. You can change your language here.